Hi guys, welcome back to my miniature things. My name is Saeed and I have my gorgeous sister Sadiq here with me today.
Hi guys.
And we have a not so miniature surprise for you guys. Fashion packs. Yes, you guys heard it. We have decided to collaborate together and design our own fashion packs.
I'm so excited.
This is something that we've been wanting to do for the longest time because ever since we were like little kids, we were obsessed with doll fashion packs. And we always thought it would be really cool if we can somehow one day design our own fashion packs, and now we are! So we came together and we decided to do 3 looks each, so it's 6 looks total. And every single look is a different vibe. Like I did like a casual one, a more work type one, and then a really elegant one.
I think I did more like a casual one, then something sort of sexy, and then a gown, of course.
Of course she would do sexy. So this video today is us showcasing our designs and then telling you guys where you guys can find them to purchase them. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. I'm gonna do my 3 designs and then you can do your 3. Does that sound good?
Sounds like a plan.
Okay. So first up, we have this gorgeous design by me, of course. So if you purchase one of these, well, not if, when you purchase one of these, this is exactly what you're gonna get in the mail. This is what the box looks like. It's a really beautiful gold box.
It's very sleek, it's very sexy.
Yeah, because there's a lot of people that sell doll clothes online, but I think one of the #1 things for us is that we wanted packaging. We didn't want to just make doll clothes and put it in a plastic bag and send it to you guys in an envelope. We wanted like the whole presentation of the entire thing. So let's do a little cutaway scene right now so you guys can get a better look at what's inside. Here is a better, more up close and personal look at the box. Every box does come with this clear plastic lid to protect the clothing. And it also has this really cool font on it that says My Miniature Things Runway in gold. So let's just slide the lid off so we can get a better look of what's inside. And as you can see, this outfit consists of a crop jacket, a little top for the inside, and a mini skirt. And for the accessories, I went with some earrings, a necklace, a purse, and some boots. Now let's get this out of the packaging and onto a doll so that you guys at home can get a better idea of what it would look like on your doll. Here it is on a classic made-to-move body. This one is the Barbie Basics model #2 for anyone that's wondering. The jacket is a cropped collar jacket with puff sleeves, fringe down at the bottom, and fringe at the cuffs. I also embellished it with a lot of pearls and rhinestones just to give it that Saeed zhuzh. And of course, you guys, the embellishments, rhinestones, and pearls do go all the way around to the back. Then we have a white ribbed crop top that is ruched in the middle and accented with a pearl and rhinestone charm. Here it is without the jacket for a more relaxed look. And as you can see, I added some silver spaghetti straps on there just so it matches the rest of the outfit. I also serged and finished the insides of the jacket so you don't have to worry about it falling apart. For the bottoms, I did a super short pleated skirt that has rhinestones and pearls adorned on the waistline. And of course, you guys, it goes all the way around and Velcros in the back. The boots are also adorned with rhinestones and pearls along the side and then trimmed at the top with white fur. And obviously her purse has to match her shoes. Hello. So we have a little fur purse with a rhinestone strap and a little rhinestone detail in the front. And just FYI, you guys, this is a functional purse, so it can open and you could put little things on the inside. I also put little magnets, one here, and then there's also one on the inside of the purse so that when you close it, it stays closed. And the rhinestone detail on the strap does run all the way around the entire purse. So this is the front and this is the back. To finish off the look, we have a pearl necklace with a rhinestone pendant, pearl earrings with some dangly rhinestones hanging from it, giving us our completed look. And you guys, I am obsessed. You guys, isn't that like the cutest thing you've ever seen? I am obsessed.
Literally the best denim outfit that I've seen.
I know, it's so 80s. I'm obsessed with like 80s outfits, like doll 80s outfits. So it was like right on brand with me, especially with the rhinestones and the pearls and all of that. So blingy and just so 80s. Love it.
So cute. I love that it's 80s and kind of almost 2000s with the skirt.
Right.
It's very sexy and cute.
It's sexy and cute at the same time, right?
Yes.
Yeah, obsessed. All the looks in this video are going to be available on our Etsy store, My Miniature Things. I will link it down in the description below, and then I will also put it right here somewhere on the screen.
Check it out.
Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but in the box, well, obviously you did notice, but in the box, there is a mannequin. So every single one of our designs is displayed on one of these mannequins. And I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of a close-up look. She has like articulated arms.
Which is so cool.
So cool. And then she is 10.5 inches tall. So she's just about Barbie height. And then the back of her, she has this little like zipper type thing made out of plastic.
You can kind of push fabric in there.
Yeah, so you can use it as like a dress form to like drape fabric on the doll. And then whatever is the excess fabric, you just like stick it in there. If you put a dress on the mannequin that's a little bit too big, you can also just stick the excess back there.
Yeah.
And then also, all of the outfits are made to standard Barbie measurements, like today's Barbie's measurements, not like 90s Barbie measurements with the tiny waist.
But they can work for almost every 1/6 scale doll.
Yeah. So my second one is gonna be this city chic business outfit that comes with a trench coat. Well, actually, let's do another cutaway scene so you guys can see what's inside. Let's start by removing our clear plastic lid with our really cute logo on there. You guys, I cannot get over this. I am obsessed. But inside, you can see we have a trench coat, a cute little top, and some trousers. Then for the accessories, I went with some earrings, a necklace, a belt, some shoes, and a purse. Now let's get this on a doll so we can see what it looks like. Here it is on the Barbie Basics model number 3 doll. The trench coat is knee-length with a notched collar, gold buttons on the side and on the cuffs. We also have gold buttons on the shoulders. And it also comes with a tie that we can use to close our trench coat if our dolls get cold. And again, the insides are serged so you don't have to worry about your edges fraying. The outfit definitely becomes a little bit more casual without the trench coat. And as you can see, we have a cerulean blue tank top. No, I'm totally kidding. I think this is more like a royal blue, but it's accented with this pearl rhinestone flower detail, and I think it's really cute. Here it is a little bit more up close and personal, so you can see all the details in there. And then for the bottoms, I did some really nice fitting gray slacks paired with a black pleather belt accented with a gold buckle. The shoes are black slingback stilettos that are also accented in gold buckles. Here is a closer look. You can see we do have that gold buckle in the front, but we also have a gold detailing on the strap, a very skinny heel, and as you guys can see, I painted the bottoms of them red just so it gives a more high-end designer look, and the whole shoe has a very glossy finish, giving it a more patent leather vibe. The purse is also patent leather, well, actual patent leather. It has gold chain straps and gold hardware along with a pearl and rhinestone charm on the side. And again, this one is a working purse. All you have to do is flip this part up and now you can put whatever you want on the inside. This bag also comes with adjustable straps, so all we have to do is pull the strap in the back, flip this part over, and now we have a shoulder bag. And here it is on the doll when the strap is extended. For her jewelry, we have gold dangly earrings and a gold necklace. And the clasp on her necklace is magnetized, so it's very easy to put on and take off. Completing my second MyMiniatureThings runway look, and you guys, dare I say, I'm obsessed. All right, you guys, so that was my second one. I'm just as obsessed with it as I was with the first one. But wait till you guys see the third one. This one is just so grand, so elegant, so opulent. You guys, look at this. By now, you guys already know the drill. Let's pop our clear lid off. And inside, you can see that we have the gown, a pair of shoes, a necklace, earrings, and a clutch. Here it is on the Barbie Looks 22 doll. She is a petite doll, but for the sake of today's video, she is on a standard made-to-move body. And as you can see, the gown is fitted at the torso and then flared at the hip. This beautiful lace bodice is princess line and adorned with lots of pearls and rhinestone accents that flows into this gorgeous full floor-length satin skirt. And this skirt is doubled, so it's nice and clean. So that was the front of our gown, and this is the back. Lots and lots of pearls, flowers, rhinestones, sequins. You name it, this gown has got it. It also comes with matching champagne colored shoes. And again, these are hand painted and adorned with rhinestones and pearls. For her purse, we have this silver leather clutch. And yes, you guys, it is real leather. It also has pearls and rhinestones to match the rest of her look, along with a flower in the front. And just like our last bag, this one also turns into a shoulder bag. You just pop it open and pull out the strap, giving you more options of how the doll can wear the bag. And it is all paired with this super opulent rhinestone and pearl necklace and pearl studs. And there you have it, you guys. That was my third look from MyMiniatureThings runway. All right, you guys, so that was all 3 of my looks. I am so proud of all of them. And as we said, you guys can find these on eBay. Etsy! As I said, prior to what I just said right now, you guys can find these on Etsy at our Etsy shop, MyMiniatureThings. So let's just put my designs aside so that we can give way for Miss Sadiq's designs.
Okay. Let's get into the best segment. Starting off with look number 1. She's this almost like Western inspired, kind of like fall look. Let's take a closer look at this fall Western outfit. For my first outfit, I chose to go with this Western inspired outfit. It comes with a dark denim jacket with 3 gold buttons, a cuff with a gold detail, These jean cuffs do come off, as you can see here. Also, it has this brown fuzzy collar and cuffs that are sewn onto the jacket. For the necklace, we have this Western-inspired bolo tie and this leopard top that is actually a halter top, but I twisted it around to create the keyhole. And this is actually the back of the top. It ties in the back with Velcro also in the back. Down lower, we have this skirt that has like this suede material with this cute little ruffle at the bottom. There's also a detachable little belt that fasten with these snaps. Also, the skirt fastens with this Velcro. Then we head down the legs to the final destination, which are these beautiful brown boots. Here are the boots. They have this stitching detail on the back with a slim heel and probably a little bit of ruching in the front, which comes together to give us this Western fall vibe. I think she's absolutely adorable. Yeehaw. I hope you guys love that outfit. Let's get into the sexy, sultry look number 2. It's this beautiful purple nightgown set. Now let's see what she has to offer up close. For my second look, I have this purple lingerie set. We have this purple tulle lace trimmed robe adorned with this lace belt and pearl buckle. Also white polka dot thigh highs, an embellished bra and panty. For bedtime, we have this silky purple and lace nightgown adorned with this cute little rosette, topping off the entire look with this white classic pumps. Boudoir fashion has never looked this good. I think those girls are ready for their slumber party.
They are. I love that set. I think it's so gorgeous.
Thank you.
You're welcome. But it is gorgeous. But wait till you guys see the last one. It's so good.
Let's get into the final look, which of course had to be a beautiful wedding gown. Let's take a closer look at what she has to offer. For the final look, we have this beautiful wedding gown. The gown comes in this beautiful satiny finish with lace scallop edges at the bottom and at the top. There's also this lace overlay attached to this embroidered belt, which runs into this lace bow in the back, turning into this flowy lace train. And finally, we have this beautiful long veil cascading down to the ground, attached to these rosettes. No bride look is not complete without the bouquet. Classic white pumps to finish off the look. And this girl is ready to say I do.
All right, you guys, those were all 6 of our looks that we made and designed ourselves. And they, as I said, they're all on sale right now on our Etsy store, MyMiniatureThings, link in the description. But you guys, all transparency, even though we've been wanting to do this ever since we were little and we were just so excited about it. And we are super excited about it to release it. It was 10 million times more work than we ever dreamed it was gonna be.
So much work. It was so hard. It took us like months to like really track everything down. From there, actually sewing it, but it was worth it. I had a lot of fun.
It was definitely worth it. I think the part that was so hard about it was that we didn't just make one of each thing. Obviously, there's gonna be multiple of you guys that are going, well, hopefully, that are gonna order this. So there's quite a few of each one. And I think that was the hard part, was having to sew the same thing over and over and over and over again.
And then if you add up all the pieces, we've sewn like over 100 pieces of stuff.
Yeah.
So it was a journey.
A journey, yeah. A journey, but a journey that I love that we took.
Me
and
too.
I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of us that we did this together.
I'm really proud of you too.
Thank you.
Because we wanted this for just so long, for our whole life. We always talk about like getting older and that we do this specific thing, which is like have a doll line and probably have like fashions and dolls and stuff. And yeah, I mean, like we're just getting our toes wet.
Yeah. Depending on how this does,
yeah.
We'll probably do more in the future. Not probably. We are gonna do more in the future.
Yes.
So yeah. get your little butt over to Etsy.com and look up MyMiniatureThings. That's the name of our store again, because it's only while supplies last.
I think that we also have such a great range of different vibes in each outfit, which we really wanted to like encapsulate.
There's like a different look for everybody.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go now, but you guys should stick around because we did make a little promo runway video for you guys entailing all of the outfits. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one and on Etsy. Okay. Bye.